Hello, 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 my lovely people. This is Mino. Welcome to Haitian Cuisine with Mino. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to clean a fish. Okay? First of all, before I do anything else, I let it soak in water. I put vinegar and lime juice and the water and salt. Okay? Let it soak in there. And this is my fish right here. Okay? So you see, this is already clean. But look at, you see, there's a whole bunch of things that we're gonna have to take out of here. Okay? So after I let it soak in the water, I take these off. It's better off to cut them up with the scissors because with the knife you might hurt yourself. I don't wear gloves because it's gonna be tearing apart anyway. So I take this off. It's up to you. You can take off the tail, you can leave it on. I like to take half of it off because especially if you like gonna fry it or if you're gonna grill it, you need it like to look good and look nice. You don't have to take it off. Some people take off the head, but us from the Caribbean, from Haiti, especially Haitian people don't take off the head. Okay, the head of the fish, that's what gives you the better, especially when you're making sauce. That would give you a better sauce. You get better result with the head on when you're doing your Haitian fish, poisson goselle, or fish and sauce. Okay, so I take all these out. Right now, I'm gonna show you what else I'm gonna be taking out. This is, you see that little hole here? I don't know if you see it right. That's the pussy of the fish. I'm gonna take it out. This, they call it, in Haiti they call it tete poisson. Here, this is the breast to me. That's one here, that's two. So same. We have two breasts. The fish has also have two. See that slimy? I don't know where it's coming from. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna cut this round of the mouth. Okay, let's get started. When you take this off, make sure you see, to make sure there's no excess scale in here. Even though they say they clean it already, you see all the scale coming off. This, they always excess in here. Here, see, in here. Take all this off. Make sure you don't have any excess scale in there because this is a really turn off to have your fish when you're eating it and you're getting scale in there. Okay, see all this. Even though they say the fish is clean, please, here, the head all around here. Make sure you scrape it over. Make sure there's nothing left in there. Okay, now I'm gonna take out the mouth. Some people leave it, but I like taking it out because I'm gonna need to take this part. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. See, that's how you take that out. If it wasn't already clean, you would find a whole bunch of stuff in there. And in here, I like to open it, leave it open, because right here, on top of here, you see, I like to take this out. You see how slimy this is? Look, you see? So, these are all things that you have to take out. And here, they always call it like the lips of the fish. En créole, nous les lèvres poisson. Okay? I take it off. Voila. Here, they tell you it's already clean. There's another layer in here. You have to get on the bottom of it and open it, and you'll see all those bloody stuff. You see? So you have to take this out. Okay? This is me opening it. When you open it, you see all the blood in here? All this out. You see all those bloody stuff in here? Sometimes they come out easily, but sometimes you have to get like a brush to get into there to get those out. See? In here, you see, like they say, we have two breasts, the fish has two too. Okay, you look, you see, under that layer here, you see that little red meat, red thing in there, I call it the breast. Okay, I hate it, poisson. Take it out. Here again, that's the other one right here. You see right here? That's the other titty right here. Out. Okay, you see? Take it out. And here. This is the other turn of to me on fish when you don't take it out. You see this? That's little hole right here. That's what we call the pussy of the fish. Okay? Coco poisson. Haïtien pas fait manger avec poisson avec coco. Okay? Cut it off. Take it out. Nous va manger coco poisson. Même là, vous mangez tout coco, mais coco poisson, non. Okay? Make sure there's no excess blood in here. And in here, make sure there's, take this off. Off. That little white vein right here, it's gonna be easy to come out. Okay? It's not a big deal to leave it on, but I like to take it off. To take it off, take your scissors right here, out, right here. Out.
No.
See? Out. Okay? Now, our fish is all clean. You can give it an extra wash. Okay? Now I'm gonna put it in lime, vinegar, and salt. Let it soak for like 30 minutes. Wash it. Okay. You don't have to go in too deep. It's up to you how you want to slice it. So all the acids and those juicy spices that you're gonna put in there get really in it. Now, you leave it in acid for like 30 minutes. Make sure you washed everything with lime. Especially you need the skin of the lime. You need the skin of the lime to get in there. The zest. Okay? Make sure, you see, all white.
Wow, I'm about to leave the party. I'm going to play Mad City because I'm getting bored. What?
Really get in there. Now we're gonna rinse it out. Get any excess water out. Squeeze it good.
It's okay, you'll get it next round.
Okay.
I get next match.
Now we're gonna marinate is my Haitian spice. Okay, I put fresh lime juice in there. I'm gonna have some adobo, just like a teaspoon. I have some ground ginger.
When?
I
Is your
have
dad coming back, bro?
my Creole seasoning.
Baby,
I
please don't
have
let it go in your
sazon, everything mixed. I'm gonna add some olive oil.
Oh no!
I have some special fish sauce.
He did. Yo, he did. He got slumped, bro. Oh!
Is that it? Okay. Now I mix it. You can put any spices of your choice, whatever you like. You like Maggi, you put Maggi. Whatever you like, you put in there. Okay. So now I'm gonna put it in there. Make sure it gets in there. Excess water.
If you actually get a man, bro. I'm gonna be like, ain't no way. Watch him actually get a man. Cares. Plus out. Yo, team kill him again. Team kill him again.
Excuse me. I didn't know it was that spicy. Okay, here we go. Can leave it here for an hour, half an hour, 30 minutes overnight. Okay, here, that's how we get our fish ready. Acid is good, everything is good in here, feels good, smell good. Okay, my lovely people. So please, if you like what I'm doing, like, share, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to put on your notification bell for the next video, so you'll be notified for the next video. Okay, love you guys, and this is Minu with Haitian Cuisine. It was a pleasure to be with you, to show that little recipe with you. And if you like to have more, whatever you would like, please leave it in the comment box and I will get back to you. Okay, so this is how the Caribbean people do the fish. We get it clean, women clean, and marinate it. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the video. So I'll see you till the next video. Okay. Thank you.